Kanye West done sent my stuff. I'm so happy. It's my birthday. Bow, bow. Here's the other stuff I have. Ow, ow, ow. Let's check it out. Well, what are you going to see before we open the little box? Let's get a little excitement, some suspense or something. You know what I mean? Nah, I think in this box I got a whole bunch of Gosha stuff. I got the the long tee, the wet tee. I got all types of stuff. I got the you're gonna see some vulture stuff. Let me tell you exactly what it is. You're gonna see the Yeezy Gosha tee, long black, the vultures pants, white Gosha print, black, black and white Goshas, the long tee. You're gonna see it. You even gonna see the little wet joint. I ain't I'm not going to do the wet joint. I'm not going to try that one, but I'm going to get somebody to try on the wet joint for y'all. But yeah, here's the stuff we already got. We already got the one. You know, we're going to compare the one shirts. There's the one shirt right there. We're going to compare the little vultures with the Twitter glitter on it. We're going to compare the other shirt. Man, let me stop talking, man. How about I open the box? Let me open this little box right here. See what we got going on. We got 12 items. Kanye West sent me my joint from, don't ask me where you getting yours, but check this out. My number was like 893,000 and I ordered it. It says 3/12/2024. There it goes. It's from Yeezy Supply in California. If y'all live in California, man, shout out to all the people in California. Y'all better not have preferential treatment over us. Now I'm just cutting the box open. Got all this stuff, 12 items from the Yaster. You know what I'm saying? We want to see what these Yeezy people talking about. We waited all this time for this stuff. Got the little, you know what I mean? Got the little weapon. So it's I ain't even closing it, man. You understand? Let's see how it comes. Okay, nothing's. We got to cover this because somebody be like, I got your information. I'm coming to your house. I'm going to give you a massage. I don't want no massage from you guys. It says, Yeezy long sleeve logo, Yeezy Vultures pants, Yeezy Vultures pants, Yeezy short sleeve logo, Yeezy long sleeve logo, Yeezy sleeve album, Yeezy wet romper, Yeezy wet tank, Yeezy short sleeve Gosha sock. Oh, I got the socks in here. Okay. Fleece pants, a Gosha tee, and I got some socks in here. So let's see. What is this? Okay, yo, this is kind of, whoa, what the heck? I don't even remember ordering nothing like this. These is dope. These is dope. I'm not gonna review these yet, but these is dope. These is the white pants. These is dope. These is mega thick. Pause. They got the two in them. You know what I mean? You got the two in. Oh man, yo, these white joints right here. They still on the site. Man, he change the site all the time. Jump on these. These is dope. You know what I mean? Here's the socks. Look. We gonna pull out the socks. Got the socks. What I feel? The socks is dope too. The socks is they pretty thick, man. The socks is dope. I'm liking all this so far. Look, got the black socks. You know what I mean? When I throw in them black Nikes in these black socks. You know what I mean? What does it say? Hide your wife, your kids, your credit card, hide everything. That's dope too. Let me see. I know. You know what? I could say Nirvana feels like Teen Spirit. Let's see. This is what we came here for. Is the box shirt still a box? You understand what I'm saying? Is the box shirt? Yeah, it's still a box. Look good too. Feel good. You know. Hold on. We gotta forget that we ain't smell nothing. We gotta smell the pants. What do the pants smell like? Hold on. Pants smell good. They smell like some good little nylon or something. I don't know what nylon smells like. I just threw that out there. Socks smell good. The shirt is exactly the same. So nobody worry. Even though we got them funky images online, nobody worry. The shirt looked the same as the old joint. And it's the same color. It's exactly the same shirt. Let me see. They got the little hem on. Yeah. It looked like the same shirt. But let's see what else we got in here, man. This is I'm a little excited. Ooh, got the wet joints. Okay, now the wet joints. Got the wet joints. You feel me? The what size wet joints? It says L in here. I guess I don't know if they 2, 3, whatever. Who knows? Those are wet joints. You might get somebody. Ask my lady or somebody to try these wet joints on for y'all. All right. See, here's the pants. Here's the pants. Yo, the pants is dope. I'm just telling you now. If they got pants on the site, plain, not plain, whatever, the pants is dope. They real thick. They real nice. That's the pants. The pants is woo. Got the white joint, bro. When I review all this stuff, we gonna go crazy. Got the vultures. Yo, man, this white. Is the white up? See the white they playing games with us. The white they playing games with us because the white joint got little sleeves on it, but it's hard. This ain't got no Twitter glitter, nothing. We gonna review that. Y'all gonna have to. You gonna have to wait for something. You're gonna have to wait. And that was a white joint. Now let's see what this joint right here is. Let's see what this joint right here is. This is a Vultures. This is another Vultures. Let me see. Is this long? This is a long sleeve Vulture. Now this got the Twitter glitter on it too. But I don't think, where's the original Twitter glitter? You know what? That's for another review. We're going to do a Twitter glitter standoff here, but I could say this. It's some differences. Look, that's real fast. You ain't getting too much today. That's real fast. But there is some differences. Let me see the hoodie. Now, I would say out of everything, the hoodie, we going to review it though. You feel me? We're going to review. We're going to do, how's the shirt? Got the shirt joint. Let me see the shirt joint. This is a Kanye box special for your boy. Got the shirt joint. How the shirt? Let me smell this. I think this needs some smelling. Kind of smell like some biscuits, you know? Kind of smell like some biscuits. I don't know. The shirt is chill. Boom, that's the shirt. Let's see what else is in here. Got the jogging pants. Right? What is this? Is this one pair? What is this? 20 things? Oh, this is a jogging pants. These are the jogging pants. Okay, all right. So I already got my mind made up about these jogging pants already. I got something to say about these. Woo, when we review the jogging pants, I got something to say. But that's it, man. Is that it? I'm lying. I'm always telling you guys lies. Hold on, got one extra little thing for you. You know what I mean? Woo, got the white joint. You feel me? This is hard too. So look, that's all the Yeezy stuff, man. Stop playing with me. This is the box. The box is empty. You understand? That's the box on the side. Man, look, all that Yeezy stuff. Man, we got some reviews to do. Drop your favorite down below. See what we reviewing first. But it's a lot of dope stuff, man. Definitely worth $20. That we gonna review it, we gonna talk junk about it, but definitely worth $20. Thanks for tuning in, man. I can't wait to review all this stuff. You guys, should we review the box? We could set up like a little trap, like in the cartoons for the box, drop it on somebody, try to steal our easy stuff. You feel me? But I'm out, man. Like, subscribe, all that, man. Later. Look at Kanye. He done sent me everything. Bow, bow.